Hi, and welcome to another installment of the Wonder Room, where we are exploring the wonderful objects from all over the world with various people. And today we have Micaela Vivero, who is a professor of studio art at Denison. So welcome.
Thank you, Megan.
So what are you showing us today?
Well, the object that I chose is this wonderful tree that is right behind me. It is a weeping cherry tree, and I love it at this time of year because it has these beautiful flowers that just come out. They are there for a few days and then they disappear. So I thought that in the middle of everything we're going through, all the insecurities, all the fear that we have, and all the unknowns that we are experiencing, to see the signs of spring coming like every year and showing their immense beauty is really reaffirming and heartwarming, and it fills me with joy.
Indeed, yes. It's still a little chilly here in Ohio today, unfortunately, but the signs of spring are here nonetheless.
Yeah, soon hopefully the bees will be here making good use of the flowers, so we're just waiting for the warmth to get here.
And where is this tree, by the way? Where is this beautiful tree?
This tree is in my front yard, and I think it has been the first tree that I planted in the United States, so it has a very symbolic meaning as part of my life too.
Did you know about this tree when you planted it?
Yes, I thought about it a long time, so I didn't have a big. I wasn't able to plant a lot of trees when I just moved to the United States, so I thought about this first tree and this one tree for a long time. I had different options, and then at the end, it was really the one time a year blooming that really made me decide on this particular tree. So, yeah, there was a lot of thought going into it.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your beautiful spring cherry tree and for being part of the Wonder Room.
Thank you, Megan. Wonderful to see you, to talk to you, and thanks for the invite.
All right. Well, if you or anyone else you know would like to participate in the Wonder Room, we hope that you will check out information in the description box below. And until then, keep wondering and keep exploring. And we look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye, Micaela.
Thank you, Megan. Bye.
Bye.